Hello everyone, this is Tanya Pandey from Sari Mantra. We are the manufacturer and supplier of authentic Assam handloom from Assam. Today in this video, we are going to showcase two very exclusive and very different Assam handloom sari. Now to begin with, the first sari that I am holding, it's a very beautiful and a pretty parrot green color Assam part silk sari. I hope by now all of you know that part silk means Assam mulberry silk. Now the first unique thing in this sari is the color itself. Yes, this is a beautiful parrot green color which is very unique and rare to Assam weaves. You will rarely see this color in our handloom. Now in this color, what we have done is the beautiful intricate weaving of thread and zari, right? When you see from far, I'm very sure you must be thinking, where is the zari here? Why doesn't it glitter? But there is the zari, but we have used it very smartly so that it does not look like to be a sari which you can only drape during the festival or the wedding. So now I'll give you a closer look of the achal portion. The achal portion has got the beautiful diamond buta which is crafted with maroon thread, and I hope you can see the silver lining that goes across the maroon thread. That is nonetheless our silver zari. Now look at the beauty, the intricate weaving style that our weavers have done in this piece of art. Now speaking for the second unique thing is the buta all over the body. The entire sari has got diamond buta which is in maroon and the silver zari. But it does not look like one because we have tried to keep it minimal, not giving it a look of too much of glittery, rather giving it a look of very classy and sophisticated. This is how the entire sari looks. And this is the blouse piece. The blouse has got this border which you can design as per your choice and preference. The blouse piece border also has got the silver zari, but I hope you can understand how beautifully and neatly it has been done. Now speaking for the third unique feature of this sari is the border. As we all know, in the traditional Assam silk sari, the borders are woven and then stitched over the sari. But in this sari, what we have done is this. This is a border where the borders are woven along with the sari. It is not stitched separately. And the meenakari, you can see how beautifully the thin lines of zari goes within the border. And this is how the border looks like. And very smartly what we have done, we have placed the border in such a manner that you will find a very thin selvage across the border section, which gives, or it adds a lot of volume or statement to your sari. So this is the first sari which is in parrot green color, woven with thread and silver zari meena, yet very minimal but very classy. So this is our part silk sari which is lab tested certified, wherein the warp and weft will be very much certified and tested. Now we'll move on to the second unique weave. So this is the second sari, a very subtle, very subtle, I should say. The color is so subtle in itself. This is the Ganga Jal color, and the uniqueness of this sari is this is not a cotton, this is rather a Tassar by Aries silk. Warp has got the Tassar and weft has got the Aries silk. Now you can make out how beautifully the sari has been crafted and wove for all you guys. The motif is also very unique, very different than the regular motifs that you see in our Assam handloom. I'll give you a closer look of the palla portion. Now look at the beautiful palla which has got the very vintage feel, but the design is so beautiful and so intricately woven with two color thread. One is in the color tone of peach and the other is with the maroon, giving it a very nice vibrant feel to the sari. This is the entire palla portion, and at the top of the palla there are two lines of this floral pattern that you can see. I hope you can understand and feel the beauty of this sari. Now the entire body has got beautiful flower like motif. These are not exactly flower motif, but rather flower like motif. See, this is the buta that is done all over the body. This is how the entire body looks like. The entire body has got two color motif, which is peach and the maroon color thread. This is how the entire sari looks. As we unfold the sari, you can see the texture, the fall. It's so beautiful, and comfort is one thing that you will definitely find in this drape. And this is the blouse piece. The blouse piece has got this border which you can design as per your choice and preference. Now the border portion. Speaking for the border, it's a very sleek, very nicely woven border. See how beautiful it looks, right? The entire border is woven and then stitched over the sari. This is not a fixed border. This sari has got a border which is woven and then stitched over the sari. This very sleek border, the color, the texture is so class. It is a class apart. I feel you can drape this sari, or if you're going out with your friends, even as a corporate attire, it's no less. You can also drape this sari if you're going out with your husband or with your partner in the evening. It will give you a very classic and a very classified look for sure. And this silk saris does come with lab testing certificate, wherein the warp and weft will be tested and certified. So if you like any of these two beautiful, good looking and very exclusive, authentic Assam silk sari, please do contact us at the number given in the description box. And if you are a boutique owner and want to have such beautiful collection in your treasure box and want to show it to your buyers, please feel free to contact us. We'll be very happy to serve you. We do ship worldwide. All our shipping all over India is free. For overseas, the shipping would be chargeable. If you like our videos, do not skip the entire video. Share, like, and definitely subscribe to our channel. And thank you for liking our videos.